Sabi niya, ano daw sasabihin mo kay daddy? Ito laging nagkakasakit lang niya.
Oh yeah?
Lagi na hospital.
I like these flowers. This is very pretty. Very pretty. Here, you guys want to record me? You want to be my cameraman? You go like this, you follow me? Come on. Alright, come on. Be my camera lady.
Mom!
There you go.
Daniel, doon mo. Picture ka doon tapos makikita yung bundok.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Hindi. Sama ka kay Tito Daniel mo.
Does that mountain have a name?
I don't know why.
No? No name? What are these mountains called? It's very pretty here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Ito naman eh.
Oh, my little camera lady.
Caroline.
Wow. Beautiful. Oh, the church is right there. That's what you were saying.
I-ano mo yung bundok? Oh, yun.
Daniel, may simbahan sila dito.
Are we allowed over there?
Yeah?
Yeah? Are we allowed to go there?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
O, sama kayo din, kasama mo
Come
Tito
on,
Daniel.
Vlogger.
Vlogger Shin. Picture mo Tito Daniel.
I-ano mo daw siya. Vlog.
You can record yourself too. So your papa can see. So
Wow.
Daddy Oliver.
Sanctuary Divine Mercy Church. Divina Misericordia.
Record your sister. Okay, that's okay.
Going.
Sino ang daming ibon ngayon, no? Tingnan mo.
Yeah, why is there so many birds?
Yeah. Doon sila pumunta. Doon kayo pumunta na bago siya nag-flight na.
Can we go there?
Tama? Na ano na, tataniman ng ano, pala.
Are we allowed to go there?
Go there.
That's on my to-do list.
Dahil sila daw. Ayan daw lang ang pupuntahan niya.
I already did most of it though.
Ilan pa lang na...
Yep.
Go zip line?
Yep, we did go zip line.
Here we go! Chloe!
Chloe, come on.
Oo, sasama ka. Come here.
I'm gonna send him this video.
Daniel, ay Shen, ano Tito
Record
Daniel?
mo, record mo dito, yeah.
Record yourself too. I'm gonna send it to your dad.
Ang pangit mo! Inchong! Record mo daw yung mukha mo, be, para makita ka ni daddy din. Ang pangit mo, Inchong! Huwag masyadong ilapit. Masyadong zoom na yung mukha mo. Ang pangit mo sa picture mo!
Grabe, kasi sinasabi niya, pangit mo Inchong, sabi niya.
Hirap mo kay Tito, ano mo siya?
Kay Tito Daniel mo, Tito.
I-vlog mo siya, yan.
Yan, vlog. Sige, pasyal pa tayo pa. Wala pa naman ulan.
What do they plant here?
Corn? I think corn?
Corn?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we allowed to go further?
Yes.
Okay.
Ganito mga gusto niya.
Yeah, I like to explore the nature.
Lambot?
Sa Sabado, sa Pakalat.
Sa Pakalat, ha?
Go ahead. I'll be right behind you. You record both of us.
Nagpisa na.
Yeah, there you go.
Like this one. Yeah.
I'm too tall. There, let me get down.
Kikoliglig.
Man, when I was a kid, I thought these were a lot bigger. Now that I'm grown, it's so small. Jeez.
Tignan mo yung dinadaanan. Akin na yung punto.
So many birds.
Uy.
Ano tawag din sa ano na yun na? Ibot? Kanaway. Kanaway. It's kanaway.
Kanawai.
The name of bird. I don't know if the English kanaway.
In English.
Yeah. Anong tawag na dyan sa English na? Hindi ko alam. Kasi yun yung mga kumakain ng ano eh. Tanim eh. Di ba nga? Yung mga insekto. Insekto. Yung mga uod sa palo. Kinakain nila.
It looks like we're going to them. They're probably wondering where we're going.
Dito na lang tayo.
Yeah, we don't have to go further. This is
Yeah.
good enough.
Give me your phone. I take your picture.